To create a TikTok Shop affiliate account, start by downloading and installing the TikTok app on your device. Open the app and navigate to the profile section. Then tap the three dots to access the settings. From there, select Creator Portal and fill out the required information to become a creator. Next, go to the TikTok Shop section and apply to join the program by providing your store information and other necessary details. Wait for approval, which may take a few days. Once approved, you will receive an email with instructions on how to set up your affiliate account. After setting up your affiliate account, you will be given a unique affiliate link to share with your followers. This link will track any sales generated from your unique affiliate link, and you will earn a commission on those sales. To maximize your earnings, focus on promoting high-quality products that align with your audience's interests. Utilize high-quality visuals and engaging content to showcase the products, and include a clear call to action in your videos to encourage your followers to make a purchase. Regularly track your affiliate earnings and analytics to see which products are performing well and adjust your content strategy accordingly. Ensure you comply with TikTok's affiliate program terms and conditions, including disclosing your affiliation with the products you promote. By following these steps and best practices, you can create a successful TikTok Shop affiliate account and start earning commissions on sales generated from your unique affiliate link.